Hello, everyone. Welcome to Clara Daily English. Let's learn and practice together.
Leo, be careful with your milk today.
I will, Mom. Oh no, the milk is falling.
It is okay, Leo. Accidents happen.
Mom is so nice to him.
Oh, my spoon dropped on the floor. Mia, why did you drop your spoon? Please be careful. You are older now, Mia. You must pay attention.
Good morning, my brave little boy. Are you ready? Ready?
Yes, I am ready, Dad. Dad did not say good morning to me.
Let us go to school, everyone. Time to walk. The weather is beautiful today for a long walk.
Stay close to me, Leo. The street is busy.
Busy? Yes, so many big cars here, Mom.
I am walking all by myself. It is okay.
They look so happy together, holding their warm hands.
Have a great day, my sweet little boy.
Goodbye, Leo. Be a good boy in your class.
Will Mom or Dad wave goodbye to me today? No, they did not see me. I must go. I will draw my family. We are happy. This is beautiful. Mom will love this drawing.
Wow, Mia, is that your family? Your drawing is beautiful. You are very talented, Mia.
Thank you, Miss Sarah. I am so proud. Mom! Dad! I am home! Look at this! Mom, look at my car! It is fast! Mom, please look. I drew our family today.
Not now, Mia. I am busy with Leo. Maybe later.
Oh. Okay, Mom. Later is fine. I understand.
I should say something, but she is busy.
The drawing is a secret now. It is safe.
The soup is very warm and nice today.
Oh no! The soup! I am sorry, Mom.
Do not not be scared, Leo. You are safe.
Mom is never angry when Leo makes a mess. Oops, my chopsticks fell. My hands were slipping. Ah!
Mia, please. You must hold your things carefully.
But Leo spilled his soup. Why am I wrong? I am full. I want to go to sleep.
Mia, wait. Do not go.
They do not understand me. I am alone. My room is so peaceful. It is my safe place. Breathe in. Breathe out. Be calm. Why am I not like Leo? Why? I am trying to be strong. I will be okay.
Everything looks so beautiful for Leo today.
This big cake is perfect for our boy.
Wow! A big cake! So many presents for me! Leo looks very happy. Everyone is so happy.
Happy birthday to you, my sweet Leo.
Happy birthday, dear Leo. We love you so much.
I do not want to sing today. I am sad. Yay! Good job! Just make a wish.
You are growing up so fast, my brave boy.
Smile. This is a perfect picture for our family.
I am not in the picture. They forgot me. I have a gift for you, Leo. But
Who wants the first big piece of this cake?
I will just go. Goodbye, Leo. They do not need me. I am invisible. This happy picture is not real. It is fake. It is just a piece of paper. It does not matter. No, I cannot do this. It is a mistake. The picture is safe here. I will sleep now.
Where is Mia? Dinner is ready now. Mia? Mia? Come down for dinner, please.
Dinner.
Is she coming down? She is not answering me. This is very strange.
Mia, are you okay? Please open the door.
I wanna be alone. Please go away.
She is not opening the door.
Not opening? Oh, I am so worried.
Good morning, Mia. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I am fine, Mom. Mia! Good morning! Let us play together. I am late for school. Goodbye. Why is Mia leaving? She did not hug me. Did she just walk away?
Walk away? Yes, this is a big problem.
Mia, please talk to me. What is wrong?
You do not care about me. You love him more.
Love him more? Oh, Mia.
Clara, please do not cry. We will fix this.
Fix this. How can we fix her broken heart?
The house is so quiet now. It feels cold.
I will go away. They will not miss me. This sweater is warm. The night is very cold. I will keep this picture. It is my secret. The stars are beautiful tonight. I am not scared. The house is finally sleeping. It is time now. I must be very quiet. Nobody can hear me. Goodbye, my cozy room. I am starting my adventure. My heart is beating so fast. I feel nervous. Goodbye, little Leo. Be a very good boy tomorrow. This room is so big. I feel so small. The lock is very high. I must reach it. That click was too loud. Did Mom hear me? The street is very quiet. The wind is cold. I will miss my warm home. But I must go. I am outside now. The door is closed forever. The sidewalk is safe. I will walk very carefully.
Mia, I am so sorry. Please open the door. Mia? Are you awake? Where are you? The yellow backpack is missing. Oh no, this is bad. Arthur! Arthur, come here quickly! Mia is not here!
Not here? What do you mean she is not here?
Mia, please answer me. Where are you hiding today?
Mom, why are you crying? What is happening?
Your sister is lost, Leo. We cannot find Mia.
Lost? Mia is lost? But we must find her.
She cannot be far. I will search the street. Excuse me, did you see a little girl? A yellow backpack?
This is bad. Where did she go? I am scared.
We made a very big mistake. We forgot her. The picture. Let me look at the happy picture. She is not in the picture. She was alone. I was too busy. I did not look at her drawing.
I searched everywhere. I cannot find our brave girl.
Look at this picture, Arthur. We left her out.
We left her out.
Yes.
Yes, we made her feel invisible. We will find her. We must fix our big mistake. Please be safe, Mia. I am coming for you. Mia? Are you here in the beautiful park? Oh, thank goodness. I found the yellow backpack.
Mia, my brave girl. Are you okay?
Dad? You found me? But why?
Mia! Oh, my beautiful Mia! You are safe! I am so sorry. We love you so much.
I drew this. It is our happy family.
We are a family. We will always stay together.
Goodbye, safe family. See you on the next journey.
Subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff. Stay safe and keep learning.